Hi, this is Paul Bentley from Lizard NDE. This is video 6. This is the display of the defects that we have just found in the unknown plate. I am going to show the effect of the filter on this signal. The filter is on a drop down from here. So click on filter. We now bring up the filter display page. Let's just drag that in like this. Okay, so from here you can see we have our BX, our BZ, or absolute CP, and we have the lift off shown on the impedance, classic phase plane. As I said, the Lizard system is the only system that includes the phase plane information for the BX and BZ. Very, very important and a very useful tool when you're out on site. Okay, we have in here again the digital zoom, and we also can choose which of the signals we're actually looking at. The LP600 sizing probe that we have been using only has one absolute or one BX, one BZ component. However, if you were to use a multi-faced Lizard array probe, by clicking through these different displays, you would be seeing each different face in turn. Okay, so if again the Lizard's LIS software is designed to be easy to use, so there's lots of sliders rather than input of numeric text. So if I just click the enable, straight away as soon as I've enabled, you can see that there has been a slight effect on the data that's being displayed. If I disable it again, you will see what I mean. Enable it again, and then by using the sliders we can choose to filter some of that signal. Okay. So what you need to be careful with the filter is it's very easy to filter too much all the way down and actually to lose the signal whatsoever. So we need again to find a happy medium that we can identify defects as they appear on the screen, but we can also filter out any rumble or noise. There we go. We can also do the same for the low pass. Okay, but you have to be aware that as you filter the signals, you are actually filtering some of the information out of the signal. So we need to be careful when using the filter that extreme settings are not used, and that whenever the filter has been enabled, test scans should be taken over a functionality plate such as the LK100 to ensure that we are still actually identifying the target defects that we are setting out to inspect for. Okay, one normal application for the filter is if you are using the high temperature probe arrays, you can use the LIS filter to offset some of the thermal drift that can occur when the probe head actually warms up on very, very high temperature applications. And that is a very quick introduction to the filter. So if I now say OK to that, you'll see the data behind this window change to match the filter settings that I've chosen. And there you have it. Again, we've completely removed almost now as much of the rumble as we can possibly do. However, you do need to be aware that you have actually filtered the data rather than tweaked the data, such as we did in the adjustments menu with the constants or the digital zoom.